So welcome, my algebros. I'm sorry. All right. So we're going to look at this guy right here. We're going to use comparison method. We're trying to find where these two guys meet each other. So where do they intersect? Here's what's weird about this guy. So I have this equation. It's nice. It's in y is equal to mx plus b format. So I'm happy. And so is the guy beneath it. So because of that, and because I know they run into each other, because the slopes aren't parallel, so at some point they will run into each other, I know that they share a y value. They have to, because I know they run into each other at the same point. So because they share two y's, it's going to be 5x plus 9 is equal to negative x minus 9. Now it just becomes an algebra problem. So I'm going to combine like terms. So I'm going to add x to both sides and have 6x plus 9 is equal to negative 9, because he went from one side to the other. Now I'm going to go through and combine the other like term, the integers. So let's combine those two together. So if it's positive 9 here, I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides. So 6x would be equal to negative 18. So again, my whole objective with this stuff is to try and get it down and solve for a value for x. And so I just found out that x is negative 3. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. So here's the thing. Why this was tougher was, and I said this before, but I'll say it again now for all my YouTubers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, okay, perfect. I didn't know the x or the y. Now I have one of the meeting points. I have that the x is negative 3 where they meet, meaning now I can just plug this guy into either one of them. So the second step is just plug it in. So I'm going to plug in x is negative 3 to whichever equation I want to deal with. I hate dealing with negatives. So I'm just going to do 5 times negative 3 plus 9. Y is equal to negative 15 plus 9. So now this is just stuff that should be automatic. Okay? So where did they meet? It wasn't just x is negative 3, y is negative 6. They meet at an x of negative 3 and a y of negative 6. So that is it in a nutshell. Now, does that one make sense? Yeah? Okay.